Yeah, this is Bob, y'all. This is what it's like to drive between two trains in the middle of a yard in the middle of the night. What do you kiddies think about that? Now lucky I'm in the minivan and not the bigger vans. I tell you what now, I ain't got much room. I've heard until before they've tore mirrors off the vans and everything else. You have to watch real close so I don't fucking tear the mirrors off this thing. And I'm way down in the yard and I sure as hell ain't gonna back out of here. Got no choice to go forward between two trains. This is what it's like, y'all. I've been waiting for a long time to film this. Finally got my opportunity.
BSX 5572 or 60817 slow clearing on 10 west.
The idea here is to take it slow. The speed bump, well not speed bumps, but a
R60817 Corbin Yardmaster over.
there's potholes and things like that that can cause you slam into the trains if you're going too fast. Little rocks, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, those rocks in the road and everything. Ballast, I should say, in the road. That can be tricky and slick and slam you and stuff too if you're going too fast. So all I can do is go slow and these down through here. And try not to rip the mirrors off the vehicle. There's pretty good room on each side. Now if I was in that big van, boy, I tell you, I'd be a paranoid little son of a gun if I was in that big van. I'm supposed to be using two hands here. If I get caught down with this, I'll be in trouble. What do you got both hands from the wheel? What was you watching the camera for? I'm not watching the camera. I just have to once in a while make sure it's still on and still rolling. I think I see the end of the train on the right here. That'll give me some room. I can hug that right side. I don't like that bump. Can't think what I'm talking about. Those girls are up here, so they can't really fly down through here, man. I don't do that. I'm the kind of person that tears a mirror off the vehicle. I go fast. Okay, I definitely see the end of this train up here to the right. Well, there's so many people sitting there and not watching all this stuff. Well, y'all, kiddies, it's BobCat here, giving you a glimpse of what it's like to run through a freight yard between two trains and a vehicle. Coming to the end of this side here, so I will be now exiting because there's only one train in my left now. Yeah, it's only got ballast though. So y'all, this is BobCat signing out from the Corbin, Kentucky rail yard, southbound. I gotta pick up a crew member and bring them back up. Then go pick up another crew and take them to another train. All right, kiddies, BobCat out. Thanks for watching.